If you are still looking for trend or you are trying to hack the YouTube algorithm in 2026, you are already behind because YouTube have quietly changed the way videos are discovered. And most creators have not realized. Let me explain what is happening and let me tell you what you should be doing instead. If you are watching for the first time, this is TUBEMETRIXX, and here we make sure we school you on YouTube to the point of monetization and even beyond. So do well to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. First, YouTube is no longer focusing on trending top as usual. It's now focusing on individual viewers. YouTube is not pushing videos like one video to everybody the way it used to. It is asking one simple question: who is this video actually for? So it focuses now on the behavior of a viewer, the interest of a viewer, and even the history of a viewer. So if you are jumping on trends and you are creating video based on trend in 2026, you are missing out big time. The real goal now is relevance. Notice most of your big content creators videos now are not doing well the way they used to. That is because presently now, YouTube algorithm is not focusing on what you did yesterday. It's focusing on how well your video performed today. So no matter the trends, no matter what you are doing, no matter the tactics you are using to hack the algorithm, it will not work. Perform a very good video today that has value and put it out there and optimize it well. Make it easy for people to see, and YouTube is going to push it. Secondly, Google Gemini have now been embedded into YouTube. The meaning of this is Google Gemini have now become one of the agents for the algorithm. So Google Gemini reads your tag, it reads your description, it reads your titles, your videos, even what you say in the video, your transcript, everything Google Gemini now reads in order to know your video very well, to allocate it to the right viewer. So if you now begin to push out content that have a lot of clickbait, like different title that is dragging people into the video, and then different thumbnails, your voice are not the same, your words are not the same as what is in the title, your content is not, they are not similar, they are not in good synergy. YouTube is going to limit your reach because it knows that you are misleading or you are using clickbait. That is what is working. Google Gemini have now become an agent for YouTube. And if you want to prosper in 2026, you must focus on quality and honesty. Honesty works seriously in 2026. It's better for you to do something that works. You are sure that it's going to work one day than for you to keep looking for shortcut every single day. Let me tell you something. I know creating video is not easy. I think one of these days I'm going to show you how I create my video. But the truth is, if you really understand how you can create your video and you learn the habit of creating video every day, you can shoot out quality content. Moving on to the third one, algorithm hacks don't work again. That's the truth. So all this stuffing of tags, all this description, you put a lot of hashtag in description so that they can be aware. It doesn't work in 2026 again. YouTube is now looking for something that is clear and simple. Your title should be simple. Your description should be simple. Your thumbnail should promise what you are saying in the video. You should not mislead. You should not do anything like clickbait. And you will notice that your videos will be flying like the birds of the sky because you are doing the right thing. So YouTube is not here to frustrate you. The algorithm is not here to frustrate you. The algorithm is looking for exactly what it can do for your video to grow and for your video to meet the right viewer. So it is not all about let me push people in. Even if you tell 100 people that they should watch your video, it doesn't work the way it works again. You just need to settle down and begin to do it. So like I said, I see a lot of big creators now trying to push out videos and it is not working? It's because they are still hacking their algorithm, and you can't hack what knows your video, or you can't hack what is now using AI, like literal artificial intelligence, to begin to work. So here's the best part of it. Small creators are the one that is now winning. These creators that have 50 views in 2025, they are the one that is winning now. The ones that have 50 subscribers, 60 subscribers, 100 subscribers. So you will now notice somebody who is having 1,000 subscribers, having millions of views, and those having 100,000 subscribers are no longer having millions of views. The reason is simple. YouTube has changed it. You can't stuff your tags, or you can't put a description out there. Make your channel clear and simple. Don't put big name on channel anymore. You understand? Don't put big titles, misleading titles. Don't put anything that is going to cause the channel to confuse your video with another niche video. I remember some time ago, when we want to do live stream, you will see us putting something like Fortnite, because it is a very popular trend, with a video that has to do with YouTube growth. So you, by that time, we would be getting views, but not now again. So you have to put the right tag, and it shouldn't even be much. Then the thumbnails. I'm going to be teaching you shortly how you can make a thumbnail. But I just want you to know that your thumbnail has to be direct and straight to the point. Straight to the point. Simple and straight to the point. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make a good thumbnail. You just need to have a very basic knowledge of design to do it. So, very quickly, let me just teach you how to do thumbnail using Canva, and then we will get back to the video. So, very quickly, this is how you can create your Canva thumbnail design, and then it's not going to take time. You just click on Canva, wait for it to load, then you just search YouTube thumbnail. So let's look for something very professional. I just basically look for something not too distant. Let's use something that's not too. Okay, let's just use this one. Something catchy, right? And then you edit them. Basically, just replace everything with your own style. So it's going to come up. Once you come inside, you are just going to click on, let's click on the image, and then you will see by the left downside, you will see something replace. You click replace, then you just choose any of the image you want to use to replace. Sometimes it comes like this. You just need to do some little adjustment, and then you remove background. Removing background is very essential. You see, background have been removed. You can now say, okay, let's do this. So once you have removed your background, you can increase. You can decide to say something like grow your channel fast. I'm just going to be writing something that's not there. Let's duplicate. I clicked on the rectangle. Then you click new method. Just put new method. New method. Adjust this one. Hierarchy is very important. New method. Let's leave the rating 5 minutes. And then voila. your thumbnail have been done. And you can just click and then you put download and you put size, image size. Make sure it's below 2 MB. 2 MB is just like, so you just make it 1,500 kilobyte, and then you download. So, and then once it's loads, it's downloaded. So that's how to use thumbnail. That is how to create thumbnails in using Canva. There are other apps that you can use to do thumbnail. If you're a graphic designer, you can do Photoshop or CorelDRAW, but I use Canva because it is fast and it's helped me. So it's important for you to make sure that your thumbnails are not misleading. Don't be talking about how to cook food and then you put see Ronaldo's picture in your thumbnail because you feel people see him, or maybe you put something like, look at Ronaldo cooking African food, because you know that people are going to rush. You might see a lot of click-through rate in regard to that. So people will be clicking the video because they want to see Ronaldo cooking African food. But when there's notice that you are misleading them, it was a clickbait, they will jump out of the video immediately. And YouTube is just going to notice that there is a misleading issue going on there. Then it will reduce your reach. And it will even give your channel a track record of misleading or clickbait. So that is why you have to make sure that your thumbnail aligns with your title and what you are saying in the video. So you don't joke with that. One of the major things you have to understand is that you need to now be clear. This 2026, take a very big inventory of how you have been doing and YouTube before, and you need to tell yourself that you are going to be clear. Like literally, you are going to be clear. You are going to be honest. You are going to be consistent, and you are just going to keep pushing out video every single day. A lot of big content creators have started YouTube and they ended, despite the fact that YouTube paid them a lot of money. The reason is because there was no plan for long term. There's no long-term plan to stay on YouTube. You have to understand that if you really want to win on this YouTube, you have to do things the right way. If you cut corners everywhere, it's not going to help you. If you like this content and any other content that you have been seeing on my channel, please do it to subscribe, to like, and to share the video. Because one like, one share, one follow will help me. Thank you so much.
TUBEMETRIXX. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.